If there are two areas at home that you should always be kept clean, it's one, your kitchen, because it's where you prepare food, and two, your bathroom, because that's where you clean yourself. This is my kids' bathroom, and as you can see, it only has a limited storage space for their bath essentials and our cleaning materials. But even if your bathroom has only a small configuration, it's not an excuse for not keeping it clean. Today, I'm going to give you a few tips on maintaining the cleanliness of your bathroom. I get a lot of inquiries in my social media pages asking me how to organize or clean a small bathroom. So today we're going to do just that. And aside from, me typically giving you out tips on organizing, I will be sharing with you today how you're going to maintain the cleanliness of your bathroom. So how I'm going to do that, I'm going to give you a quick tour first here in my daughter's bathroom so that you can already see kung ano yung ginawa ko, because actually this is also one of my pandemic projects. We had this bathroom renovated. Because it's very small, I made sure that I have an efficient storage system. So let's go straight here sa ilalim ng sink, which is, the most dreadful space either in your kitchen or also in your bathroom. But this one, I made sure that it's kept clean all the time. So one way for you to be productive is that make sure na lahat ng kailangan ninyo is just, within arm's reach. And of course, don't stock up on unnecessary stuff, especially in your bathroom. So that's why it's important that you really know kung ano yung mga essentials na kailangan nyo lang. And in this case, I organized it this way because di naman masyadong madaming gamit yung mga anak ko dito sa banyo. Wala naman sila masyadong kailangan. And it's just actually their, soap and shampoo. So that's why I organized it this way. I have, a container that has all their essentials for, cleaning their body. And then I have here a hair container which houses, their shampoo, things that they use for their hair. And then also another essential in this bathroom is this cleaning caddy, cleaning basket. And here I have all the cleaning materials that I need in making sure that the bathroom is always clean. If I can just share with you the schedule in cleaning the bathroom, I'm not really a fan of general cleaning. What I am a fan of is, tucking in habits that will make sure na hindi sobrang magdudumi yung banyo. Kasi when you do general cleaning kasi, meaning you only do it once every 2 weeks or once a month, then all the more that it's hard for you to remove the stains in your bathroom. But if you allot, let's say, 10-15 minutes every 2 days, then mas madaling i-maintain yung kalinisan sa banyo. So that's why, to ensure that we can commit to that habit, dapat yung mga panglinis nandun na sa banyo. So in all of our bathrooms here in the house, parating merong available na ganito na para madali mo siyang kuhanin. If I see that parang may build up na ng molds, then hindi ko na yun papatagalin. Right away, I'll put na the right cleaning agent for it para mabilis siyang matanggal and hindi na siya magsisit in, and worse, maging permanent stain siya dun sa banyo. So, if I can just give you a rundown of what's inside our cleaning caddy, it's the Domex multi-purpose cleaner. So by the word itself, it's multi-purpose. So it helps me clean different types of surfaces. So I use this for the countertops, the bathroom flooring, and also the walls. And then I also have the ultra thick bleach, and I use this for the toilet and also for the sink, and also sa grout doon sa in between the tiles in our shower area. And then I have here the stain and lime scale cleaner. So as mentioned earlier, for you to avoid permanent stains in your bathroom, it's good to have a good agent that will help you, that will help you with that. So there. And so as you can see, even if you have a small storage, you don't have to overstock, you don't have to overbuy, and all you need to do is to make sure that you understand kung ano ba talaga yung kailangan ninyo and ano yung mga dapat na meron kayo to ensure that you can maintain your bathroom both in organizing and cleaning. So since I promised you that I'm going to share some tips on how to maintain the cleanliness of your bathroom, so I have here the Domex Ultra Thick Bleach, which if you want to maintain yung pagkaputi ng toilet and ng sinks ninyo, then this is the one. Now, I love, first, the packaging. I love that it has this squeeze and twist cap, which is safe if you have toddlers and you don't want them na mabilis na mabuksan yan, right? So you just have to squeeze and twist it. And I love that it has this nozzle where you can directly aim kung saan nyo gustong gamitin, diba? So naiwasan na masayang yung cleaning agent and mas directed kung saan talaga yung part na lilinisin nyo. So this is perfect to use, of course, in the toilet. So how you're going to do it, so you just have to squeeze it like that. All you need to do is, probably leave it for maybe a minute para naman yung natural way of cleaning will happen. And then, of course, you need to get your toilet brush and start scrubbing away. It's good if minsan kailangan din talaga ng elbow power para to ensure that para talagang matanggal yung dumi. 'Di ba? And ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo that if you maintain the cleanliness in your bathroom, hindi na siya ganun kahirap tanggalin, 'di ba? Hindi na ganun katagal yung oras na kailangan yung spend in cleaning because you have a good habit. Alright? So, you want to clean yung brush. And ako, what I do is I also put the bleach because we know that bleach, and of course Domex, can actually kill all known germs. So before I store it back doon sa lalagyanan niya, I also put bleach. Konti lang. No, lagyan mo lang din siya. Just to disinfect and then clean again. And then, kung gusto nyo siyang patuyuin muna so that, kasi minsan if basa kasi siya na isa-store mo pabalik doon sa lalagyan, and especially that I chose to, store it also inside the, under the sink, then you want to, dry it first. Now, how are you going to dry your cleaning, ipit mo lang muna siya dyan sa toilet, let it dry, and then once it's dry, then you can put it back to its container. So for the multi-purpose cleaner, I'm going to show you how to prepare your cleaning solution for it. And, this is just an estimate, but for, 350 ml water, you can put 1 cup full of Domex. And you can see how thick Domex is. And yun, especially kung halimbawa na it's really just for maintenance and hindi mo naman kailangan na super concentrated yung cleaning agent mo, then kung gusto nyong makatipid, mas best if you do this. But of course, if you are trying to remove hard stained dirt, then mas maganda if ibabad nyo muna siya sa concentrated na Domex. But this one, I'm showing you, maintenance. And here, I will show you that I have two colored microfiber because I don't use the one for the countertop on the floor. So the blue one is the color that we use for cleaning the bathroom floor, and then the green one is the one to use for the surface. And so what you're going to do is just put it inside, and please, unahin nyo muna yung mga surfaces bago nyo to mamaya gamitin sa floor. So, what I'm going to do is just wipe. All you to do is wipe, and then if you want, you can either let it sit or you can get a dry towel and then dry the surface. But in my case, I let it sit na lang and let it dry on its own. And it's the same process that you're going to do for your bathroom floors. So for the floor naman, once you're done with all the surfaces, you need to get a scrubber and then just dip it. And then you can start scrubbing away. Now, the multi-purpose cleaner is really good, that it's good for different types of surfaces. And as you can see, dito sa floor ng anak ko, especially that it's all white, we try talaga as much as possible to maintain it and try to avoid na mag-sit in yung dumi. So now this one naman is the stain and lime scale cleaner, and this is what I use for the grout. So if we see na nagsa-start ng mag-build up yung molds, then nilalagay na namin siya, we apply it directly, and then we scrub it away, and then cleanse it with water, and then wipe. I love that Domex is one of my partners in homemaking. With its 360-degree 3-in-1 linis power to help my bathroom stain-free, odor-free, at higit sa lahat, germ-free, ensures that my kids have a clean and well-disinfected bathroom. I take cleaning the bathroom very seriously because, believe it or not, I've been doing it since I was a young girl. Now that I am a mom, I understood all the more why I need to keep our bathroom and our home clean, because cleanliness of our surroundings has a direct effect on the health of my family. This is why I need to get a cleaner that's as serious as I am. Domex has 3 times thick power. It can kill all known germs, remove stains, and eliminate odor. With Domex, there's no excuse to not have a clean bathroom. Its commitment to clean is as strong as our commitment to provide a clean and healthy home for our family. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next one, stay neat, everyone!